The world has moved on to efficient and ecological ways to create energy solutions that are sustainable and dependable. Harnessing the sun's energy to bring about a climate for change. We are Vikram Solar, India's first Tier 1 integrated and comprehensive solar solutions provider, with state-of-the-art equipment and machinery sourced from the US, Germany, Japan, and Switzerland. We produce the finest monocrystalline modules with highly efficient PERC cells and multicrystalline modules. With a 27-year linear performance and 12-year product warranty, our modules have 20% longer protection against inherent mechanical defects. Higher solar transmittance enables more sunlight to get through to the cells, making our modules the preferred choice of installers due to their superior robustness and reliability. Our modules are made in India. We have reduced our carbon footprint by 8 million tons in the last decade, deploying our world-class technology to solar projects worldwide. And we've had an added advantage of our own solar manufacturing facility too, thus offering end-to-end solutions. The dedicated quality control and the intense scrutiny process we implement has always been our trademark. We have our own in-house testing and follow zero micro-crack policies to ensure that nothing but the best is delivered. Vikram Solar today has grown to have a presence across 6 continents, clocking more than 54% annual growth. Also gives back to society through various active CSR initiatives in community welfare, education, livelihood generation, and health and wellness. Efforts that lead to a future that is powered by sustainability, providing better living for everyone. Vikram Solar, creating climate for change.